With a new battle being fought in the sky, Ukraine is working hard giving their drones new capabilities to give their operators the upper hand, as controlling the sky gives you a clear upper hand on the front line. Drones are constantly targeting other drones, with some drones being more valuable targets as they are a lot more expensive and capable. Having better equipment and larger warheads, making their destruction more important, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.